Hello, this video is designed to show you where standard errors that are calculated by Stata show up in your regression output and how to pull those estimates from the regression output. So as you can see, I've opened up the ACS data that we use in class, and let's estimate wages as a function of years of education. Okay, so here are coefficients. Here's beta 1 hat, and this is the standard error of beta 1 hat, which is the estimate of the standard deviation of beta 1 hat. So it tells us it's an estimate of, on average, how far off we think any given draw could be from the mean of the distribution. Now, let's say that I wanted to pull this value in the same way that I pulled beta 1 hat, right? So I showed you in class and then also in the other video that's on Moodle how to pull out this value. And let's pull out the standard error. So gen FE, let's say beta 1 hat equals underscore FE, and then brackets, and then in the brackets you put the name of the coefficient whose standard error you would like to extract from the output. Browse, come over, right, and notice that everyone has been assigned that standard error value. Okay, that's it.